Dear students, today we shall try to understand how an international marketer should select an international market. An international marketer needs to consider a number of parameters in choosing an international market. The major parameters in selection of the international market are: number one, size of the market. Students, if the size of the market is big, then that particular market appears to be a prospective market. Lot of opportunities are there. Therefore, any international marketer becomes interested to enter a market which is bigger and larger in size. However, the international marketer needs to understand that in a larger market there will be more competition, and if a firm decides to enter a larger international market, then the firm will have to compete with global players. Another parameter to be considered for selecting international market is proximity of the market. Proximity means closeness. If the market is close to the domestic market, then it is easier for the international marketer to transport the items to be sold in that international market. Communication becomes easier, and therefore, if the market is close to the home country, then international marketers become interested to select that market. Another parameter for selecting international market is political and financial stability. Any business want to do business in a situation where there is political and financial stability. In domestic market also, the business people, they want a financial and political stability in the situation. In international marketing also, international marketers want to select a country for marketing an international market where the country is politically and financially stable. So, international marketers will select a market which is politically and financially stable. Another parameter that is considered for selecting international market is availability of demand. This is an obvious reason for entering an international market. If there is no demand, then international marketers are not interested to enter the market. Availability of demand encourages any marketer to enter the market. One more parameter to consider in selecting international market is language affinity. If the language spoken in the international market is similar to the language spoken in home country or domestic market, then the communication becomes easier, many things becomes easier. Therefore, language affinity is an encouraging factor in selecting a international market. And cultural affinity is again another factor to be considered. If there is cultural affinity, cultural similarity, then many things becomes easy. The product with minimum modification can be sold in the market, and demand can also be estimated because of the cultural affinity. The international marketers, they can predict the demand, the acceptability of their product and service in the international market.